Access, evaluate, and deploy CIQ products on your terms. I'm Eric, the IT guy Hendricks for CIQ, and today I want to show you everything you need to know to get up and running with the CIQ portal in under a minute. We just launched Portal, and if you're anything like me, the first thing you do when you get access to a new tool is just click around until something makes sense. So today I want to save you some of that time. Portal is the new home for all of your CIQ product downloads, license keys, and documentation. Whether you're an open source developer looking for easy access to RLC Plus, a developer evaluating RLC Pro with a developer license, a team running a 30-day trial, or an organization administrator managing licenses at scale, Portal puts everything in one place. Here's what we're going to cover: navigating Portal, the CIQ catalog, logging in, and downloading your first product. So let's get into it. Getting to Portal is simple. We can go directly to portal.ciq.com, or from the CIQ website, just click Login in the top navigation bar. Once we land on the portal, the catalog is our first stop. One thing I really like is the solution stacks view. Instead of picking individual products, we can browse by use case. Standing up an AI/ML pipeline, there's an AI/ML infrastructure stack. Deploying into a regulated environment, check out federal and government compliance. Running large-scale scientific computing, that is HPC and scientific computing. It makes it a lot easier to find the right combination of products for what we're actually trying to do. Now, if we scroll down, we can also browse by product type. So if we know we want one of our Linux offerings, we can get right to it. Let's walk through an example. Let's say we want to deploy a sovereign AI model in our company data center. We'll select RLC Pro AI, our Rocky Linux from CIQ Pro AI product. This will allow us to review documentation or go ahead and contact sales for a new license. We're given a number of options to deploy our desired image, including cloud, netboot, and traditional ISOs. Let's select VM and cloud images and accept the default for the latest version of RLC Pro AI. We can select specific versions, grab the latest, or see which versions are eligible for LTS, or long-term support. Now, before we will be able to proceed, we'll need to create an account. If we click on Deploy, we'll be able to register from within the same workflow. We can create an account with an email and password, or sign in with existing GitHub or Google credentials. Next, we'll be asked to create a professional organization. We can always create one later, but as needed, fill out the required information. If you're new to CIQ, you can enable trial licenses. Already have an enterprise agreement? Select the second box, agree to the terms, and click Accept. Once we're logged into our account, we'll be dropped right back into our active workflow, which now provides us with deployment instructions. And that's Portal. From registration to our first download in under a minute. Whether you're an open source developer grabbing your RLC Plus keys, an org admin onboarding a new team, or a sysadmin standing up a fresh Ascender Pro install, everything you need is here in one place. So head over to portal.ciq.com to create your account and get started. If you want to read through a step-by-step blog version, I will link to that below. And until next time.